Hello everyone, welcome back to our e-class of mathematics. Today we will study comparing numbers. I am Anukriti Gupta, your math teacher, will guide you for the same. Let us revise what we learned in our previous session. In our previous class, we learned before, after and between. We discussed some questions, and as I promised that we will discuss the answer in next class. So here first of all we will discuss the answers of previous topic. Question is, write what comes before, after or between. A part, dash 17 dash. Before 17 will come 16. After 17 will come 18. B part, 40 dash 42. What will come in between? Answer is 41. You can cross check your answers of C, D and E part. Let us move to the new topic, comparing numbers. Students, I know that this topic is completely new to you, so we will learn it very slowly. What are comparing numbers? In mathematics, to compare means to examine the differences between numbers, quantities or values to decide if it is greater than, smaller than or equal to another quantity. Which means comparing numbers decides which quantity is bigger, which quantity is smaller. For example, here hearts are there. On the left side of the screen, 3 hearts are there. On the right side, 5 hearts are there. Now, which number is greater? 5. 3 is greater than 5. So, the sign you are able to see on the screen is the sign we use for the greater numbers. Now, let us study about the signs. What are the signs we use when the number is greater or when the number is smaller or when the number is equal to? Students, here we will learn about greater than sign. Here in green color, crocodile's mouth is there. greater than sign is like that only. It is always open towards the number which is greater and which is on the left side. That sign is known as greater than sign. The crocodile always eats up the number which is greater. In the picture here, 8 is greater than 3, so the mouth is open towards 8 and close towards 3. Let's see some examples of smaller than, equal to and greater than sign once again. Here 3 signs are there: greater than, equal to, less than. We discussed greater than sign. In blue color you can see greater than sign. Just below blue color is the sign we will use in our notebooks. Equal to. What do you mean by equal to? When both the quantities are equal or both the numbers are equal. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, then we will put this sign of equal to. Third sign, less than. When the number is smaller, we will use this sign. Always remember that greater than sign will always open to left side. Less than sign will always open to right side. The easiest way to learn these signs are: always keep in mind that crocodile will always eat up the number which is greater. Crocodile will eat up the number which is greater or bigger. So the mouth will always open towards the number which is bigger or greater. If both the numbers are equal, as given in second example, 5 is equal to 5, then equal to sign will come. I hope these signs are clear to you. Here is the exercise for greater than, less than or equal to. Answers are being provided on the right side. Now let us start. Question is, write greater, smaller or equal to. A part, 9-6. Students, which number is greater? Yes, 9. So mouth will open on left hand side, that is towards 9 as given in the answer. B part, 4-3. Which number is greater? Yes, 4. Again mouth will open on left hand side. C part, 34 dash 47. Which number is greater? Yes, 47. So the sign will open on the right side, that is towards 47. D part, 8 dash 8. Which number is bigger? Yes, both the numbers are equal. 8 is equal to 8. So equal to sign will come. E part, 1414 dash 4141. Which number is bigger? Yes, 41. So the mouth will open on right hand side. I hope with the help of this exercise the concept of greater than, less than and equal to signs is clear. Let's come to largest. What is largest? When we move from smaller number to bigger number and stop at the last number, that last number is the largest number. Also, the largest number comes after the others while counting. For example, here we can see the arrow. Smallest number is 1 because the quantity of 1 is very small as compared to 2, 3 and 4. So the largest number will be 4 because the quantity of 4 is bigger than all the 3 numbers. We will discuss it again. Let's have a look at the picture. We are moving from smallest number to the largest number. Largest numbers are commonly the last numbers of the series. In this series, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the largest number? 4. Let's come to smallest. It is the opposite of largest. When we move from bigger number to smaller number and choose the last number, that is the smallest number. For example, in the series 4, 3, 2, 1, we have 1 with the least quantity and 4 with the most quantity. So, which number is smallest? 1. Now, we will study this or we will understand this with the example of pencil. Students, suppose I have 4 pencils and you have 3 pencils and your friend have 1 pencil. So what is the smallest number of pencil we are having? Or who is having least pencil? Your friend. So that is the smallest number. Now who is having largest number of pencils? Yes, I am having 4 pencils. That means I am having the largest number of pencils amongst all of us. I hope this is clear to you now. Let us practice some groups to understand it in better manner. In this worksheet, we will color or circle the largest or the biggest group. On left hand side are some tools and right hand side are some other tools. We will count the numbers. The number which is larger, we will color them. Parents, please help your kids in drawing these images in their rough copies so that they can solve it with me. You can use any other object or image for drawing purpose. In first picture, aeroplane is being given. Let us count on left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On left box, 5 aeroplanes are there. In the right box, 1, 2. 2 aeroplanes are there. So which is the largest group? Yes, left hand side. So we will color the aeroplanes on left hand side. Next, footballs. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 footballs are there in the left box. Now let us count the number of footballs in right box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is the largest group, children? Right box. So we will color the right box here. Similarly, you will do the exercise of cycle and cars. Any queries will be discussed in the next session. Happy coloring! Here is the numeral exercise based on largest and smallest number. Question 1. Write the largest number. Students, in the box or the blank given, we will write the largest number. For example, in A part, let us see 3, 5, 9 and 8 are written. Now, which is the largest number in all 4 numbers? 3? No. 5? No. 9? Yes. 9 is the largest number among all the 4 numbers. 9 is the correct answer. B part. 13, 22, 19, 12. Which is the largest number, the biggest number? Yes, 22. I will leave the C part for you to decide. Answers are given. Let us come to question number 2. Write the smallest number. It is the opposite of the previous exercise. We will write the smallest number. A part 5, 2, 9, 6. Which is the smallest number? 5? No. Students, here we are talking smallest. Smallest means? Yes. The number which is the smaller one amongst all the numbers. Less in quantity. 2 is the correct answer. B part. 7, 5, 12, 11. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 5. I will leave the C part for you to practice it on your own. Answers are given on the right side of the page. Now comes the home assignment part. Students, you have already learned the table of 2 and 3. Now you will learn the table of 4. You will do these questions in your classwork copies, that is maths copy. Only the exercise part. No need to do the practice work, the coloring work in your copies. Do the exercise part in your copies. I will provide you the worksheet for the same topic very soon. Thank you.